This thing erupts! Hello and welcome to a very early morning in Mumbai, where I am sitting inside the car because, as you know, Mumbai and Mumbai streets are always busy, and I wanted to give you at least a nice crispy introduction before we actually land in the middle of traffic to show you the car from around. What I am sitting in today is a very special car which I have come all the way down from Pune to drive and to test and to show you guys. What I am in today is from this tuner in Mumbai called Mod My Car. He's a good friend, Vikram, and what he has made for himself as a personal vehicle is this. This is a BMW X3 M Sport, which has been tuned to a stage 3 setup. And today I'm going to take you around this car and show you a little bit more in details about this car, as well as give you a little bit of an idea what all mods has been done on it. This is a BMW X3 M Sport, as I said, which has been given a stage 3 treatment. And from the outside you can already look at it that it's got a very aggressive stance, a very aggressive look. Part of that aggressive stance comes due to the height of this car being dropped because of the Eibach lowering springs. Now this car is running on the stock M Sport suspension setup, apart from the Eibach lowering springs, which give it a little bit of a drop and a little better stance. The rest is part of the M Sport package, which comes fitted stock from the factory. Now the owner of this car, Vikram, is the person who runs Mod My Car over here in Mumbai, where they tune everything from your VAG cars to BMWs and high-end premium luxury cars as well. They are in tie-up with eTuners Greece, where the maps are been made, and these guys together have sort of built this car to perfection. I say that because I've already driven this car, and man, it is pretty incredible, which you are going to see a little bit later in this video. So on the outside, as you can see, this car is pretty stock apart from a little bit tinkering around here and there. For example, these headlights are tinted, these wheels come from a 530D, and apart from that, a little bit of the stance, which is a little lowered. The rest, everything is stock. A few stickers here and there, but nothing major, nothing which is too eye-catchy and too loud. That's because this is Vikram's daily car. He drives it every day, and it's not only his daily car. Actually, this is a car which he tours in as well, where he takes this car all across the country. He's been to Hyderabad, he's been to Chandigarh, Delhi, Rajasthan, all across the country with this very car. And that kind of in itself shows you and tells you the reliability of this build and the reliability of this tune, where this car was first tuned at about 30,000 kilometers, where it got its stage 1 tune. It ran on a stage 1 tune for a good 15-20,000 kilometers before he upgraded to a stage 2. And since then, this car has always been running a tune. Now the beauty of this car is that being an M Sport, it already gets a ton of stuff from the factory. For example, this carbon fiber steering wheel, which is the M Sport version, comes from factory. Carbon fiber door trimmings, carbon fiber trimmings all across the interior are from the factory. These lovely bolstering seats, which have adjustable bolstering as well as lumbar support, come from the factory. The Harman Kardon audio system also comes from the factory. So a lot of stuff in this car automatically comes from the factory. So you don't need to spend much over here, and all that money what you have can go in upgrading things that are essential. For example, this K-Sport big brake kit, which Vikram has fitted extra. Apart from that, this car is actually running a very minimal list of mods, so that the reliability of this car is maintained, while at the same time he gets the performance that he's looking from it. Let's quickly pop the hood, and wow, look at that. That's a beautifully painted engine cover with the name of the car, which is Zeus. Zeus is what Vikram has named his car, and as you can see, the engine bay also is pretty stock. So the only few things that have been upgraded over here are all on the inside. There's a upgraded intercooler which is sitting over here in the front. Apart from that, the turbo has been upgraded. The turbo housing and the turbo externals have been kept stock from the M Sport Turbo which came from the factory. What has been done is the internals have been upgraded for that same turbo to put out more power. And of course, to support the new hardware and setup, a tune from eTuner's Greece has been installed on this car, which is again a stage 3 tune. So with all those mods in place, this car is currently putting out 420 horsepower and a very impressive 850 Newton meters of torque. That is the really impressive number for me. And the most impressive part about all of that again is that this car uses those numbers to do daily runs, to do highway runs, to be used as a complete normal everyday car. Let's quickly start it up and give it a listen. Subtle. This is the M Sport exhaust again. Very subtle, really nice. Not too loud. It's kind of the perfect daily, you know. I'll give it a little tap on the throttle. Quite nice. Especially for a diesel, that sounds quite nice. And the engine sounds nice and revvy. It doesn't sound lazy and lethargic like a diesel generally does. Yeah, the engine picks up revs really nicely. Let's hear it from the outside, no? Well, all of this sounds really good on paper and I'm sure you guys are already impressed. But what I want to do now is take this car out on the road and give it a quick short drive to see how that performance on paper translates onto the road. So today is my lucky day because not only do I get to drive yet one more BMW, but what I have over here today with me is the fastest X3 in the entire country. This car has blown a lot of records. This car has blown a lot of people out of the water. In fact, in this year's Valley Run, this car actually was faster than an M3 competition. That's not all though. Even a C43 AMG couldn't stand ground in front of this car. Now what I'm planning to do is take this car for a short drive, absorb a little bit more of this car's experience and tell you a lot more about it. First things first, this car feels such a normal car to drive. You don't feel like you're sitting in an overly sporty car. You don't feel like you're sitting in an overly stiff car. And it's such a pliant car in general where, I mean, you can use it daily, and the owner of this car, Vikram, actually does use this car daily. In fact, he doesn't only use this car daily, but he uses this car as a family car, as a mile muncher, where he's taken this car all across the country, driven all the way from Mumbai till up north to Delhi, Chandigarh, Hyderabad, you name it. In fact, this car is currently sitting at 112,000 kilometers. 1,12,000 kilometers chal chuki hai gaadi. And the best part about that is that this car has been on a stage 1 and a stage 2 tune. Basically, this car has been tuned when it was at about 35,000-40,000 kilometers. So a good 60,000-70,000 kilometers this car has been running on a tune, and that is something which I feel is very important, especially for people who are a little skeptical, who think कि पहली चीज़ तो यार महंगी गाड़ी है, BMW ऐसी है जहाँ पे खर्चे already you never know where it's going to stop, where it's going to start. So for those kind of people, this is kind of a testament to say that you don't really need to worry. Of course, you need to know how to drive. You can't drive like an idiot. But at the same time, this is a pretty bomb-proof car. This is a pretty reliable car where it's a testament. And this car itself is putting some decent numbers down, which I'm going to tell you soon. And with those numbers, having a daily driver like this, which by the way is super comfortable, this is the X3 M Sport, which means it came from the factory with M Sport suspensions. And that's really good because that actually saves a ton of money in terms of upgrading the car. While at the same time, you find a perfect suspension setup which you don't really need to bother. You don't need to fiddle around with a lot. It's stiff when you need it. It's soft for day-to-day use. It's a pretty good setup in general. Apart from that, in terms of the mods that are gone on this car, I'll let you know a little bit in detail because right now in front of me I have a little bit of an open road. Currently I am in a normal drive. I have not put the car on sport mode, and holy crap, We are already up to 3-digit speeds. The road hasn't even started yet. Man, the way this thing pulls. So the good part about it is that this is still running a factory turbo, but that factory turbo has been altered and modified. This is a hybrid turbo setup which has been modified in a way while using the stock internals, the stock casing and all. Some things have been kept as the way it is. Okay, putting the car on sport because now I have a little bit more room for playing around with it, and I'm doing about 60 kilometers per hour, 2000 rpm, foot down on the throttle. Holy this thing erupts. I can't tell you what speeds we are doing, but what? Woo, this got up to more than autobahn speeds in a very, very short period of time, man. This car is insane. Oh my good God. The car just picked up and went, okay. I cannot tell you the speeds, but by my smile and the expressions on my face, I'm pretty sure you know what speeds I was doing. Autobahn speeds, and the beauty is that this car can maintain this pace throughout. You can take this car on the highway, you can go from one city to the other, you can cross the country and continue doing this daily. And that's what the owner of this car has been doing for the last 4 years, by the way. This is such a comfy car. This is such a comfy car for a daily drive, you know. I mean, the gearbox is set up perfectly where there are no jerks, no judders. The suspensions, while being M Sport, they are still soft and supple for places like Mumbai as well, where roads are not exactly smooth. Steering is light. It's a lovely car. You're sitting high up, so you can look around you with ease. I think it's the perfect car to go around town in. And on top of that, when you have 420 horsepower, 850 Newton meters of torque, I think you're pretty much sorted as a daily driver, as well as some car which can go take you on a long distance tour as well. This is a pretty good all-rounder, I'd say, overall. Oh man, that was an incredible experience. And all of this, and I need to tell you more, because the beauty is that this car is running a bare minimum setup. By that, what I mean is, apart from that hybrid turbo upgrade, it's running an intercooler, it's running a tune, and it's running a big brake kit. And that's about it. So, in terms of the overall cost to performance ratio, this car absolutely blows my mind, because the owner has put close to about 4.5 lakh rupees to get all this performance. And that performance, by the way, which I wanted to tell you earlier, is 420 horsepower and 850 Newton meters of torque. And you can feel it. I mean, this is an X3. Let's not be lying to ourselves and let's not be unreal. This is a heavy car. But the way this car launches itself, the way this car just picks up and goes, just makes all that weight disappear. And the beauty is, because it's got that all-wheel drive system, you can just drive around in this car daily, and that one day where you actually want to go land up on the drag strip, you can just park this car on the drag strip, put your foot down, launch it. The all-wheel drive system will take care of everything for you, and you can just go flat out. In fact, this car has been doing that for the last 3-4 years, and out of those, the last 2 years, this car has actually won in its category by being the fastest X3 in the entire country. And not just the fastest X3, in fact, it's been the fastest diesel in the entire country, and it still is the fastest stage 3 turbo X3 in the entire country. Now, when I say country, I mean these cars generally get tested on places like the Valley Run, and this car has been flawlessly putting out some excellent times, as I mentioned before, at the Valley Run. And I mean, it's not just the timing, you know, it's the overall package for me that this car works. There are cars that work very well on the circuit. There are cars that work very well on the road. But for me, what the highlighting factor about this car has been till now in this drive, that this car works flawlessly. I mean, of course, the owner and his racing team has proven the car's mettle at the Valley Run. And today I am over here to tell you that I have basically tested mod my car's build, and it works flawlessly on the road as well. And 70,000 kilometers driving on a tune in a BMW X3 itself is a testament, that this car works. This car works for your daily. This car works for that one day in a year where you actually want to take it to the absolute extreme. It does everything for you. It's a brilliant, brilliant machine which has been set up in a very brilliant way. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Till then, ciao.